girl was in Puerto Rico. We made it. Flight was smooth. Landing was smooth. There were no issues, no ratchetry. That's what happens when you set positive intentions before you travel. So I'm just really grateful to be here, to be with the homies, and we're gonna see what today has in store. Here's the view from the balcony. The area that we are in is a little bit of Le Ghetto. The Airbnb is pretty cute. I'm really trying to give y'all like a full body look of this evening's attire. However, there are no full body mirrors in here. So, you know, cropped. It's a skirt. We gonna try it again. We ended up going to the mall, having a beverage. Felicidades.
Fast food truck.
You're on the camera.
What up?
We're out here. It's lit. We just left La Placita. It was
gorgeous as usual.
It was Poppington.
However,
You see the sweat?
now
Masks are hot. They are. I still be doing them, but they're hot. I needed a breath. We're on the search for food, and then we're going back to the Airbnb. Hot sour cream and onion chips, and then you have cheese, and there's chips and salsa, and we're gonna do the things. We were looking for food, but at this point,
we're walking to the cake right now.
I'm fine with that, honestly.
Yeah, I am too.
Like,
I don't feel unsafe.
I don't either. Like, first of all, we're grown-ass adults.
We're grown-ass adults. Also, we're
Hello? Like, bitch, I got street cred.
To the city, they would dock here and then they would come in through these doors because it's a walled city.
Oh yeah, because they're on the island.
Yeah, we're on the island away from the island. So there's a big bay. This is why it's called Puerto Rico, because of this big port. Beautiful. Because DC uses the capital sandstone.